Okay, new parts. So, like previously, let's say a few days ago, I was on the road, and like I said, I lost the brakes. So today, we got a few more things to put on here. So, firstly, we got some fork seals because my fork seals are blown. So if you look here, so normally around here you'll see a bit of oil leaking. So if I just put my finger behind there, look, yeah, so that means that these seals in here are blown. The oil is just straight up leaking out. So that's going to be done. That's what those seals are for. That's what these are for. And the fork oil, which is basically that same oil that's leaking, we're going to replace that. Put more fork oil in there. And the lifesaver brake pads. So my front calipers were already worn while I was riding, so these things need to be replaced. The pads need to be replaced. I have little to no stopping power, you feel me? So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and along with that, I'm gonna be putting in a new headlight, new bulb, because yeah, now this thing does not shine 20 meters even. And now that I'm looking at it, I'm seeing that the bulb is actually like not in place. So that's what this is for, because now as it is, only the bottom one goes on, and we don't want that. So that's what this is for. Then on my way to the suspension place that is going to basically do the forks for us, I'm going to put some zip ties on and see what my travel is like as it is now and compare it after the upgrade. So once the seals are on and the dust covers on and everything, I'm going to see what my travel is like, what I should be expecting, and yeah, hopefully the performance is better.